So this is our employee data. We have all the necessary information of our employees in this Excel file. We are going to use DeepSeek to help explore this data. So assuming you have no idea about how to go about your data in terms of analysis, you can use any of the generative AI tools to help in your exploratory thinking. So because of um, data privacy issues, you are not expected to upload your employees' data into any of these AI tools. So any information that's um, as an HR that you can't send outside to any external party shouldn't be uploaded into these any of these AI tools. So what we are going to do is to simulate our data. So we already have our prompt showing all the various fields in the employee data. So we are asking the AI tool to explore the data, provide potential risk, and also any suitable techniques that we can approach our data with. So these are questions that you can consider before starting your analysis. Some of the questions, if you are to focus on attrition, per the data that you have at hand, what is the overall attrition rate? Does attrition differ significantly by department, job level, or demographic factors? Is there a tenor sweet spot where attrition peaks, either whether there is early attrition or there is early turnover? How does the salary relative to job level correlate with attrition? So these are potential questions that you can consider before even approaching your data, before you start to analyze your data. For instance, you can have your data and you don't know where to actually start your analysis from. You can simulate the data and provide a prompt to this generative AI to DeepSeek to help you to come up with questions that you should start considering in analyzing your data. And it's actually going to give you a head start in your data analysis. So, in the compensation and performance, how is salary distributed across departments and job levels? How does performance relate to salary and promotion? Are high performance more or less likely to leave? So, these are questions that you can consider before. So, what this actually helps you is that these generative AI tools, you don't need to upload your employee information into this tool. You risk having your information outside. This is how you can use DeepSeek without making your information vulnerable.